Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well and good at your homes. So students, as you all can see that today's topic is addition of fractions. So in this video, I am going to explain you how to add fractions. So I have already explained you about like fractions, unlike fractions, mixed fractions and different types of fractions. So today I will be explaining you how to add them. So the first type of fraction which we are going to add are like fractions. Like fractions को कैसे ऐड किया जाता है, we will learn about that in this video. See, if we are adding like fractions, simply add the numerators and retain the common denominator. Retain the common denominator here means कि like fractions में denominator तो same होता है, the numerator is different, right? The denominator is same, the numerator is different. तो आप क्या करेंगे, simply add the numerator and retain the denominator means कि 3 और 3 दो बार लिखा है तो you are not going to add it 2 times. You will write the same denominator here and answer will be 9/3. अब इसमें मैं एक बढ़ा दूँ अगर 6/3 तो आप नीचे एक ही डिनोमिनेटर रखेंगे and now it will be 15/3. Clear students? So we are simply adding the numerators and the denominator is written as it is because it is same. But when you are adding unlike fractions, how do we add them? The situation becomes different. Now what are unlike fractions? Please tell me in the comment section because I have explained you. I want everybody's response in the comment section. What are unlike fractions? So how do we add unlike fractions? If a fraction is given to you like this 2/7 and 5/14, then how do we add these types of fractions? Both the denominators and the numerators are different. What you have to do? We have to take the LCM of the denominators. किसका LCM लेना है आपको? You have to take the LCM of the denominators. एक चीज़ मैंने आपको पहले भी शायद बताई है. If the denominators are from the same table, 7 1s 7 2s, तो जब आप इसका LCM लेंगे तो जो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर होगा वही इसका LCM होगा. तो if you are taking the LCM of 7 and 14, the LCM is 14. अब मैं ऐसे कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स ले रही हूँ आपके साथ. LCM of 5 and 15, क्या LCM होगा? 15 होगा. LCM of 8 and 48, what will be the LCM? Please reply to me in the comment section कि 8 और 48 का अगर LCM लेते हैं तो क्या होगा? It will be 48. Clear students? Now we have got to know that the LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. तो अब 14 तो ऑलरेडी 14 है तो हम इसमें 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, पर 7 को 14 बनाने के लिए आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 2 से, बिकॉज 7 2s are 14. नाउ 2 2s are 4 प्लस 5 अपॉन, बिकॉज 5 1s are 5. सो द आंसर विल बी 9/14. So how do we add the unlike fractions? Firstly, we convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by making their denominators same. How do we convert them into like fractions? By taking the LCM of the denominators. हम लोगों ने क्या किया? डिनोमिनेटर को सेम कर दिया. That means we converted the unlike fraction into a like fraction and then we have added as we did earlier. Wasn't it easy, students? Yes. So today the next topic will be addition of mixed fractions. There are 2 methods to add mixed fractions. So I will be explaining both the methods. So the first method is, I am taking 2 mixed fractions. Wait students. Yes. 4 1/2 and 3 1/5. So we have got 2 mixed fractions and we have to add them. So I will be explaining you 2 methods to add them. So first method is to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction first. तो पहला स्टेप क्या है? To convert it into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2. Now what will be the improper fraction for 3 1 upon 5? I want everybody's reaction in the comment section. Please give me your responses. Yes, it is 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16 upon 5. Now we have to add these two. Since we have got improper fractions, both the numerators and the denominators are different. First step was to convert it into improper fraction. Now second step is to convert them into like fraction. How will we convert them into like fractions? Please reply to me in the comment section. Few minutes ago I have explained about that. कैसे चेंज करेंगे like fractions में? Yes, whosoever has replied that we have to take the LCM of the denominators, their answer is totally right. तो LCM लेंगे denominators का. 2 और 5 का denominators का LCM क्या होगा? 2 और 5 they do not have any other common factor apart from 1. 1 के अलावा इनका कोई common factor नहीं है. तो अगर ऐसा केस आता है जहाँ पे denominators का 1 के अलावा कोई भी common factor ना हो, then how will we find out the LCM? Just multiply them, that will be the LCM. 2 5s are 10. तो इसका LCM क्या होगा? 10 होगा. 5 को 10 बनाने के लिए 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 को 10 बनाने के लिए we will multiply it with 5. तो होगा आपका 45 plus 32 upon 10. Now add these two, 77 upon 10. This is your answer. अब मैं कुछ ऐसे डिनोमिनेटर्स लूँगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 and 7. They do not have any other factor apart from 1. So what will be the LCM of 3 and 7? क्या होगा इनका product? That is 21. Taking one more example, what is the LCM of 7 and 17? Please reply to me in the comment section. This is your task for today. I want everybody's answer in the comment section for this. Now I am going to explain you method number 2 to add the mixed fractions. Please pay attention, students. So the method number 2 is quite easy. Method number 1 was also easy. The only thing is that once you understand the concept, आप चाहे like हो, unlike हो, proper हो, improper हो, mixed हो, आप हर तरह के fractions को ऐड कर पाएंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. सो मेथड 2 इज 4 1 upon 2 and 2 1 upon 3. I have taken two different mixed fractions. I am not taking any example from the book. Okay. Now how will we proceed? We are going to add the whole part. पहले आप क्या करेंगे? whole part को ऐड कर लेंगे. 4 plus 2 और ये जो आपका फ्रैक्शन वाला पार्ट है that will be added separately within the bracket. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. See, again we have got 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6. अब इसको 6 बनाने के लिए 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इसको 6 बनाने के लिए 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Now 3 plus 2 upon 6 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 plus 5 upon 6, जिसे आप लिख सकते हैं 6 whole and 5 upon 6. Now if you want this to be converted into improper fraction, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 5, 41 upon 6 will be your answer. So I hope all of you have understood both the methods of adding mixed fraction. The method which you like the most, you can use that particular method. There is no problem. Now I am going to solve some questions based on addition of fractions from the exercise 5B. So you have to solve it along with me. Take out your maths class for copies and pens. Please sit along with me and solve the questions. So the first option is 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7. Which type of fractions are these? These are like fractions. So the answer will be 2 plus 1 upon 7, that is 3 upon 7. Clear, students? Coming to the थर्ड ऑप्शन. जो ऑप्शन मैं बीच में स्किप करती जाऊंगी वो आपका होमवर्क होगा. नाउ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 1/10 plus 3 upon 6. What is the LCM of 6 and 10? If you are finding out the LCM of 6 and 10, it will be 30 I think, पर मैं एक बार आपको LCM चेक करके बता रही हूँ. 2 5s are 2 3s are. So the LCM is 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So the LCM of 10 and 6 is 30. ये जो LCM मैंने निकाला है, you have to do it in the rough column. So to make it 30, multiply it by 3. To make this 30, multiply it by 5. 1 3s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and upon 30 it will be 18 upon 30, right? इतना आने के बाद अगर आपको दिख रहा है कि ये दोनों के दोनों एक ही टेबल में आते हैं, दैट मीन्स इट कैन बी सिंप्लीफाइड. तो अगर आप चाहें, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, बट इफ यू विल सिंप्लीफाई दैट विल ऑल्सो बी करेक्ट. 3 6s are 18, 3 10s are 30, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So the answer will be 3 upon 5. अगर आप 18 upon 30 लिखते हैं, that is also correct. If you are writing 3 upon 5, that will also be correct. Clear students? Now I am going to explain you the fourth option, that is option number D. Option number D is 5 upon 12 plus 1 upon 6. 6 or 12 both comes in the same table. The LCM of 6 and 12 will be 12. So to make it 12, multiply it by 2. तो 5 plus 2 upon 12, ये हो जाएगा आपका 7 upon 12. Clear students? Now see, E ऑप्शन में आपके 3 फ्रैक्शंस दिए हैं, F ऑप्शन में आपका एक मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन भी दिया हुआ है, और G ऑप्शन में भी you have 3 options, H, I. So all the options are little bit complicated. तो D तो मैंने कर दिया आपका. Now I am solving E option. So please pay attention. E option is 7 upon 15 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. Now tell me what is the LCM of 3, 5 and 15. 3, 5 और 15 का LCM यहाँ लेंगे हम. 5 1s are 5 3s are. So the LCM of 3, 5 and 15 is 15. क्या होगा आपका LCM? 15 होगा. You have to take this LCM in the rough column. तो 15 तो पहले से 15 है. अब आपको 3 को 15 बनाने के लिए किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? 5 से करना पड़ेगा. 5 को 15 बनाने के लिए किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप? You are going to multiply it with 3. तो आपका हो जाएगा 7 plus 1 5s are 5, 2 3s are 6 upon 15. Now 7 plus 5 is 12 and 12 plus 6 is 18 upon 15. Now can we simplify it? अगर आप चाहें तो कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 3 6s are 3 5s are. तो सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद हो जाएगा आपका 6 upon 5. Clear students? Now I am going to explain you the next option. ध्यान से सुनिएगा, ध्यान से समझिएगा. एक बार में नहीं समझ में आएगा तो प्लीज़ वॉच इट अगेन, दोबारा देखिएगा. देन ऑल्सो इफ़ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिएगा. आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन. 11 upon 12 प्लस 5 whole 1 upon 6 प्लस 1 upon 3. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा आपका? पहला स्टेप होगा टू कन्वर्ट दिस मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1, 31 upon 6, 11 upon 12 and 1 upon 3. Now please tell me what is the LCM of 3, 6 and 12. 3, 6 and 12. 6 is also a multiple of 3, 12 is also a multiple of 3. तो जब हम इसका LCM निकालेंगे वो आएगा आपका 12. मैं आपको लेके दिखा देती हूँ एक बार. The answer will be 12 only. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 4s are, right? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. अब आपका ये 2 से जाएगा. 2 1s are and then 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2 1s are. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. क्या आया आपका LCM? 12 आया, the highest one. तो जो हाईएस्ट मल्टीपल होगा, अगर तीनों डिनोमिनेटर सेम टेबल से हैं, देखो तीनों के तीनों आपके 3 के टेबल में आते हैं, तो जो हाईएस्ट वाला डिनोमिनेटर होगा वही आपका एलसीएम होगा। सो दिस 12 इज ऑलरेडी 12, टू मेक 6 12 हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, टू मेक इट 12 3 को 12 बनाने के लिए 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। नाउ 11 प्लस 31 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 इज 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 3 ज़ा 6 एंड 4 1 ज़ा 4, हमारा डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया। नाउ 11 प्लस 62, जब हम 62 में 11 को ऐड करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपका हो जाएगा 73, 73 में आप 4 ऐड करेंगे तो 77 अपॉन 12, राइट, दिस विल बी योर आंसर। सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड टिल दिस ऑप्शन। नाउ G, H and I is left. I am not going to explain it today because if I will explain it today वो आप लोगों के लिए extreme हो जाएगा. So I hope if you have understood, please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.